The 8th chapter in the book of Acts. I'm turning there with you. And remember, revival started off in Jerusalem. Where did it start? Come on, let's all say it together. Where did revival start? In Jerusalem. Acts chapter 1, Jesus said to them, on the Mount of Olives, when he was lifted up into heaven in the ascension, he said, go wait. Remember that? Wait where? In Jerusalem. So they go to Jerusalem, the wait. Where were they waiting? In the upper room. Where were they waiting? One more time, let's say it together. Those of you that sent your prayer requests, you gave me your prayer requests. Could we show these precious people where we took your prayer requests? We took it to the upper room. Someone say the upper room. And we had a prayer session in the upper room. Thank God no one else was there. We prayed for about, I would say, 30 minutes flat. The people prayed in tongues and the people were praying. They were just praying. They prayed so loud. Someone say the upper room. The upper room is the upper room. We climbed a whole lot of stairs to get on the top. And when you get on the top, that room now, if you make a noise in that room, it travels all through Jerusalem. So you had 30 born again people pray like they didn't pray before. Before you knew it, the police came. Are you here? Isaac, the police came to the upper room and they said, please, all of Jerusalem can hear you praying. Please pray in your heart, not verbally, not vocally. And your prayers, we took your praise, I took your praise and I placed it inside the olive tree. Someone say the olive tree. These are all the prayer requests from our local church. Whoever put their prayer request in, we put it in there. Now here's the question. What is an olive tree? Someone say olive tree. What is an olive tree doing in the upper room? Why is there an olive tree in the upper room? Well, the olive, someone say the olive tree, is the tree that Jesus prayed at when he was in the garden. Where did Jesus pray? Where did Jesus spend his time praying? In the garden. What garden? Gethsemane. The Garden of Gethsemane is at the foot, someone say the foot, of a mountain. We walked down that mountain. The mountain is called Olives. What is the mountain called? The Mount of Olives. Why do you think they call it the Mount of Olives? There's olive trees growing in it. Are you here? Everyone that came with us to Israel walked. We started off at the top of the mountain. And all of us walked down the mountain. The mountain was so steep that on the sides they put rails so you could hold it as you're walking. Are you here? Down. And when you get to the Garden of Gethsemane where the Lord prayed, you're going to see these old olive trees. And next to that garden, there's a church. It's called the Church of All Nations, the Church of Prayer. And the precious people said, how many of you never been to Israel? Just wait. Well, the Lord help you. Some people have been to Disneyland and not to the Holy Land. They went to see Mickey Mouse, but they haven't been to the Holy Land where Jesus walked. Pray about coming because we're going in 2027. When are we leaving? November 2027. So your prayers are in this olive tree because Christ prayed at the olive tree. And the olive tree is found in which garden? Gethsemane. The prayer place of Christ. Are you here? And it's at that place where they make the purest olive oil, so they say. The purest olive oil on the earth, because Gethsemane means oil press. Write it down. Gethsemane equals oil press. Oil press. Let's say it together. What does Gethsemane mean? Gethsemane, oil press. It's where they press the olives. If you're buying olive oil, you'll see it written on the bottle, cold pressed olive oil. It's naturally pressed. It then brings you the best. The best olive oil is at the Mount of 1 teaspoon a day is of exceptional medicinal value to your human body, just by drinking. People in Israel dipped their bread in olive oil. It's poured over their salads. And the precious people said, so your prayer requests are in the upper room, inserted at the base of the olive tree.